Caroline Coach.
Hello, everybody. Good to see you.
Here we come, a caroling, no one believes so green. Here we come, a wandering, so fair to be seen. Love and joy come to you, and to you like Christmas too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year. We are not any beggars and go from door to door. But be your friendly neighbors whom you have seen before. Love and joy come to you, and to you like Christmas too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year. Hey, Christmas!
Greetings, my fellow Disneylandians.
This is so cool! Hey, wait a minute. Is this Disneyland?
Yeah, Gonzo, where do you think we were?
Well, I wasn't sure. But this definitely explains the mouse backstage wearing pants.
I prefer him to Shrimp, who never wears pants even on stage.
This honey says no shirt, no shoes, no service. Not enough pants. Besides, it's good enough for Donald Duck. It's good enough for me, okay?
Donald Duck? Hey, that reminds me of a joke. What does Daisy Duck say when she buys lipstick? Put it on my bill! Did it? Waka waka! Are you cracking up? Oh!
Love and joy come to you, and to you like Christmas too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. And God send you a happy new year.
Would you look at that? Sleeping Beauty's castle at Christmas.
See, it's nice, but how does Santa Claus leave presents? They don't have a chimney.
They live in a castle. What would they ask Santa for?
A chimney?
Love and joy come to you, and to you like Christmas too. And God bless you and send you a happy new year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year.
Oh, I simply must have that castle. I wonder if Sleeping Beauty ever runs it out.
I wonder if they'd mind if I put sharks in the moon. Camilla says Merry Christmas too.
Excellent behavior here. I've been taking notes for Santa, and he will be quite pleased.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy New Year.
Hey, everybody. Are you ready to sing some Christmas carols with us?
Okay, come on, everyone.
Okay, everybody. Okay, all right. You know what? We're going to start off with an easy one.
I shall go prepare the musical merriment.
Just follow along and sing fa la la. Ready, Gonzo?
Well, I'm ready, but I'm afraid there aren't going to be any fa-la-las.
Wait, what? No fa la las?
He forgot to bring the bananas? Unbelievable.
You'll see. Ready, Camilla? Deck the halls with boughs of holly.
Come on, everybody. Let's deck the halls with box of holly.
Tis the season to be jolly.
Son, we know our king, you barrel.
Troll the ancient Yuletide carol.
Troll? I didn't know this song had trolls. That's so cool.
Ay, Dios mío. Those internet trolls can be so mean, okay?
Keep singing, Gonzo.
Oh, yeah. See the blazing Yule before us.
Strike the harp and join the chorus.
Follow me in merry measures. Carmen, who is this Merry Measures? When can I meet her?
No, it's not a her, Pepe. It's Mary, like happy.
See, I'd be happy to meet her already.
Fast away the old year passes.
Hail the new ye lads and lasses. Waka 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 waka. Follow on in merry measure.
it's time to head to our next stop.
Chickens?
Hi. Come on, next stop. Oh,
And off we go.
see you later.
Excuse me, why aren't we moving?
Maybe we are moving, but everyone is moving with us, so it just looks like we're standing still.
Tech booth, come in. Anybody there in the tech booth?
Dr. Bugs and Honeydew here in the tech booth with Larry and the Disneyland technicians. Oh, yes, and Beaker. We may have a way to fix your problem.
Great.
The techs tell me that all we have to do is find someone to crawl inside the generator and manually recharge the high voltage power supply.
That sounds dangerous.
Me. Oh, a little danger never hurt anyone. Isn't that right, Beaky? Me. Go ahead, Beaker. That's the spirit.
Hey, Kermit, if they can't fix it, why don't we just get out and waka?
Good news. Beaker is now inside the generator and will try to jumpstart the high voltage power supply. Me. He is crawling in. He has reached the electrical panel. He is flipping the switch. Oops. Thank you again for using tech services. Please call again.
Well, I'm sure they're going to be okay. I hope. Meanwhile, does anybody have any other ideas to get us moving?
See, Christmas magic.
Great idea, Pepe.
Carmen, this was supposed to be sarcasm, right?
Well, as long as we're stuck here, why don't we sing another song?
See, that's not a good idea, Carmen. Okay.
You haven't sung
Let's
since
sing.
you
Everyone,
sang.
we're all gonna sing already.
Everyone now.
Sing
Come on,
loudly.
everybody, join in.
Patriotic duty.
So, gang, what should we sing next for these fine people here?
Oh, how about All You Want for Christmas Is Moi?
Isn't it All I Want for Christmas Is You?
Not the way I sing it.
That's a really nice idea, Piggy. Any other songs?
Other songs? How about the 12 Jokes of
Excuse me?
Have
Christmas?
yourself a merry
Rudolph the
Christmas.
Red-White Blue-Nosed Reindeer.
Listen to me, okay?
Okay, Pepe, do you know a good Christmas song?
Well, what is this time of year again?
Christmas?
See, de Navidad. Good. And would you say it is a happy time?
I would.
So, if it is the Feliz and the Navidad,
Oh, I get it. That's a great song.
I will sing. Jingle bells, jingle
Wait,
bells.
Pepe, I thought you were gonna sing Feliz Navidad.
Oh, why didn't I think of this already? I don't know if I can remember how it goes. Okay, this is a special song for all of you out there. For you and you and you and you and you. Let's sing. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. Okay, some of you are being shy. You gotta sing along with me. Come on, Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. What are we gonna wish?
Happy birthday!
This is incorrect, okay? Feliz Navidad. Put your hands together. Feliz Navidad. Prospero año y felicidad. Oh, I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas. I wanna wish you a Merry Christmas from the bottom of my heart.
Oh, that was amazing.
See, it's a gift.
And you were all amazing too. Come on, gang. Let's hear it for these great singers here at Disneyland.
Hey!
Incredible, excellent. It's unbelievable.
You can sing with one anytime.
You're so great already.
Gee, thanks for singing with us, everybody. We'll be back. Have a great holiday.
Merry Christmas.
Hey, come back later and I'll have some new jokes. Or maybe some old jokes, but I'll have jokes.
I salute you, my fellow Disneylandians.
Cue travel music.
Excuse me, Mr. Kermit. Dr. Bunsen Honeydew here. I believe we have found the problem with the bus.
It isn't moving again.
Oh, apparently you found the problem too.
Fozzie, stall for time. I've got an idea on how to save the show.
Yes, sir. No problem. Hey, folks, did you hear about the vampire that went out in the snow?
See, he got the frostbites.
You know that joke?
Everyone knows this joke already.
Oh, well, okay. Here's a good one. What happens to Santa if you get stuck in the chimney?
What happens is, I don't get my presents.
No, he gets claustrophobic. Ah!
It's very good, already. Very good.
You like my joke?
No, I'm just glad I'll be getting my presents.
Hey, gang. Yeah, look, even if the bus won't move, there is still a way to save the show.
Oh, you mean we're taking over Sleeping Beauty's castle?
Maybe next year, Piggy. Look, everybody think. Why are we here?
I'm here for my fabulous fans. For the
For
laughs.
the snow.
For America.
Contractual obligations.
No. We are here to sing. So what we need to do is go out with a big finale.
Oh, that's good. That's
Hey,
good for
that's
now.
right.
I suggested that in a memo, didn't I?
Hey, Tech Booth, cue the big finale.
Right away, Mr. Kermit. Peter, let it snow!
Oh, wow. It's snowing.
It's snowing.
Sing it, Kermit.
Oh, weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. Since we've no place to go, everybody,
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
There's a joke sign, so stop me. And I brought some corn for coffee. If I to drink, we can go.
Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey, it's working.
Everybody kiss goodnight. Now I hate to go out in the storm, but if you really